Did you know that the average savings account pays just 0.45% interest per year? That means, to earn just $1,000 in interest, you'd need a whopping $222,222 sitting in your account. And let's face it, most of us don't have that kind of cash lying around. But what if I told you there's a way to build a portfolio that doesn't just pay you way more than a savings account but actually grows your money while you sleep? In this video, I'll show you how you can turn a simple $50 weekly investment into a $4 million portfolio that pays over $6,500 a month in dividends. That's right, money coming in while you do absolutely nothing. Sound good? Let's dive in. Here's the issue most people face. Traditional savings methods just don't cut it anymore. Whether it's a savings account with laughable interest or relying on the unpredictable stock market, progress is slow, returns are inconsistent, and passive income? Practically non-existent. But there's a better way: dividends. Think of them as a cheat code for building wealth. Unlike capital gains, which rely on buying and selling at the right time, dividends offer consistent, reliable cash flow, money you don't have to work for. Better yet, many companies increase their dividends annually, meaning your income grows with inflation. If you've ever dreamed of earning money without lifting a finger, dividends are your golden ticket. Let me share one of the most underrated secrets of wealth building: compound growth. Most people underestimate how powerful reinvesting dividends can be. They think, oh, it's just a few extra bucks, but those extra bucks are the seeds of financial independence. Here's proof. Say you invest $10,000 in a stock with a 4% dividend yield. That's $400 in dividends in the first year. Instead of spending that $400, you reinvest it, buying more shares. By year 2, you're earning 4% on $10,400 instead of just $10,000. This snowball effect accelerates over time. By year 20, your initial $10,000 investment has grown to nearly $50,000, all because of reinvested dividends. If you'd spent that $400 annually, you'd have just $8,000 in dividends to show for it. But by reinvesting, you let time and compounding do the heavy lifting. It's the ultimate set it and forget it strategy. So how do you build a portfolio that maximizes dividends while minimizing risk? The key is focusing on quality over quantity. Chasing the highest yields alone can be a trap. Those stocks often come with higher risks. Instead, you want a balanced portfolio of reliable dividend payers with strong growth potential. Here's an example of a dream team portfolio. Coca-Cola Co. Dividend yield: 2.1% dividend growth, 14.87% annual share price appreciation, 29.62% Home Depot HD dividend yield, 2.21% dividend growth, 17.25% share price growth, 15.07% Federal Agricultural Mortgage Corp. AGM. 1. Dividend yield: 2.73%. 2. Dividend growth: 25.66%. 3. Share growth: 2.07% Insperity NSP. 1. Dividend yield: 3.31%. 2. Dividend growth: 20.58%. 3. Share growth: 16.05% Watsco WSO dividend yield: 2.02% dividend growth, 8.09% share growth, 18.07% when combined. This portfolio offers dividend yield: 2.47% dividend growth rate, 19.2%. 3. Average share price growth: 19.98%. This balance of growth, stability, and income potential is what turns average investors into millionaires over time. Now, let's talk numbers. Whether you're 10, 20, or 30 years away from retirement, there's a path for you to achieve $1,000 in monthly dividend income, or even more. If you have 10 years, you'll need an initial investment of $50,000 and contribute $200 weekly, $10,000 annually. With reinvested dividends, your portfolio could grow to $668,000, paying over $1,491 monthly in dividends. If you have 20 years, start with zero upfront, contribute $60 weekly, and watch your portfolio grow to $737,000, generating over $1,087 monthly dividends. If you have 30 years, start with just $2,000 and contribute $50 weekly. Thanks to compounding, this portfolio could grow to a jaw-dropping $4.4 million, paying over $6,500 in monthly dividend income. No matter your timeline, the key is consistency. Small, steady contributions combined with reinvested dividends create exponential growth. Want to supercharge your returns? Set up a dividend reinvestment plan, DRIP. These plans automatically reinvest your dividends into more shares, eliminating the temptation to spend your payouts. The best part? They're easy to set up and often come with perks like discounted shares. It's a no-brainer for serious investors. So, are you ready to start building your dream portfolio? Whether you're aiming for $1,000 a month in dividends or $6,500, the journey starts with small, consistent steps. A simple $50 a week can snowball into life-changing wealth. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend who could use some financial inspiration. And don't forget to check out the video on your screen now for more tips on building wealth. Let's make those financial dreams a reality, one dividend at a time.